Hi guys, today I will show you how to set up your default browser in Windows 10. So, if you have any link to the web source, for example cnn.com, if we click to open it, it will open up in our default browser. In that case is Microsoft Edge. If you want to change it or just set up our default browser, let's go to Start menu and type default, and in best match we get the default apps. Let's click and go to it, and these settings allow us to choose the default applications for different purposes. And in under web browser, if we click on that, we see available items on the list, so we can select, for example, Google Chrome as our default browser, and that's it. We set up the default browser to Microsoft, from Microsoft Edge to Chrome, and when we open any link, it will open up in our new browser. That's it. I hope that helps you, and thanks for watching.